everybody, it's Mary. We've been staying at home for the last few weeks because of the coronavirus. So I'm in my bedroom today, which is the only place in my house that there are locks on both the doors, so my kids can't come in. Hopefully they won't come and start pounding on the door. I wanted to take a quick minute today. I finished my latest project and I needed to shoot a quick video to tell you about it before my kids get to it and it disappears forever. So this is what I'm calling my Autism Love Blanket. So next month, April, is Autism Awareness Month, which I know can be kind of a rough month for some autistic people. And so I'm not here to talk to you about autism or what it is or what you can do or any of that crap, stuff. But I'm going to share this free pattern with you that hopefully you can make for someone that you know who is autistic, who might love it. The version that I made is kind of like lap blanket sized or baby blanket sized or maybe even like a play mat. It's kind of a stiff, it's not really drapey, it's a little stiff. And I love this design. So it's got these white hexagons and at first glance it looks like they're just plain white. But if you look closer, you can see that there's actually designs. So it's all hearts or infinity symbols. You'll notice that I did not put any puzzle pieces. I've learned that people in the autistic community don't actually like the puzzle piece symbol. A lot of them. So I made it all hearts and infinity signs. I know some people have started using infinity symbols to represent autism. And also then a rainbow border because, as you all probably know, autism is defined as a spectrum disorder, and people with autism can have so many different traits and abilities, and every one of them is different. None of them are the same, so when you say, my kid is autistic, or my friend is autistic, what does that mean for that kid? It's different for everybody. So I wanted to try and represent autism in a way that an autistic person might actually approve of or appreciate. So I also joined them together with these single crochet ridges so there's a little bit of texture. And for the border, you can make whatever color you want. I picked orange. It really doesn't matter. So this pattern is going to be free on my blog starting on the 1st. I'm also going to have a YouTube video that shows you how to make this rainbow border and has a quick refresher on Tunisian crochet because the middle of the hexagons is Tunisian and the border is regular crochet. You can find charts and instructions for making the hexagons on my website. I will post a link below the video in April when it goes live. And like I said, it's going to be free, so you don't have to pay for it. Make it for someone you love. Spread some love because autistic people, they have challenges, sure, but they deserve just as much love as everybody else. So spread some love and happy crocheting.